Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathlite. In this video, we'll continue with exercise 6E from chapter Simultaneous Linear Equations. So moving on to question number 9. The sum of the numerator and the denominator of a fraction is equal to 7. 4 times the numerator is 8 less than 5 times the denominator. Find the fraction. There is a fraction. Now we know that fraction is numerator upon denominator. ठीक है, some number in numerator and some number in denominator. Okay, now what is the numerator and what is the denominator? We don't know the values. So let's say कि numerator is x and denominator is y. So the fraction will be x upon y. Okay. Now, to find the values of x and y, we need two linear equations. So let's check the two conditions given to us. First condition states the sum of the numerator and the denominator of the fraction is equal to 7. Sum means addition plus of the numerator. Numerator क्या है? X. And the denominator, that is y, is equal to 7. Okay. So sum of numerator and denominator of the fraction is equal to 7. This will give me first equation. Second equation, 4 times the numerator. 4 times means 4 into, okay. So numerator क्या है? X है. So 4 into x is equal to, okay, 8 less than 5 times the denominator. 8 less than 5 times the denominator. So 5 into denominator क्या है? Y. So 4 times the numerator, that is x, is equal to 8 less. 8 less मतलब क्या हो गया? माइनस करना है 8 को. Okay, so minus 8 than 5 times the denominator. So 5 times the denominator minus 8. Why we took 8 less over here and not here? Because it is given that 4 times the numerator is equal to 8 less than 5 times the denominator. Denominator के साथ 8 less का बात हो रहा है. ठीक है, so 5 times the denominator minus 8 हो जाएगा. Alright. Now we will rewrite this. We shift all the variables in LHS. So 5y will go in LHS. It will give minus 5y equal to minus 8. This is equation 2. We just have to solve these two equations and find the values of x and y. Once we get the values of x and y, you will get the value of fraction. So let us now write down the given proper statements. So let us now write down the statements in proper manner and start solving. So write down the statement, let the numerator be x and the denominator be y. Okay, so fraction क्या हो जाएगा? Numerator upon denominator, that is x upon y. Alright. Now there are two conditions given to us for the two linear equations. According to first condition, the sum of the numerator and denominator is equal to 7. That gives us first equation. Second condition states that 4 times the numerator is 8 less than 5 times the denominator. So that gives us the second equation. Now we need to solve the two equations. We'll solve using the method of equating coefficients. That is, या तो y का coefficient same करो और x का coefficient same करो. Okay, I'll make coefficient of y same because y has opposite signs over here. Okay, so whenever there are opposite signs, you can easily cancel out the variables by just adding the two equations. Okay, so I just need to add the two equations. But firstly, यहाँ पे 5y है, so I need to make this also 5y. Okay, so how will I make 5? I need to multiply the entire equation by 5. So we'll multiply equation 1 by 5. So multiply equation 1 by 5. So that will give 5 into x plus y equal to 7. That gives 5x plus 5y equal to 35. Now we have same coefficient. but the signs are opposite. So whenever the signs are opposite, you add the two equations. If the signs are same, you subtract the two equations. This is the reason I did not make x ka coefficient same. Okay, I could make this 4 by multiplying by 4, but the signs would be same, so I had to subtract the two equations. Okay, so in subtraction, if you make one mistake in sign, then the answer will come wrong. So this is the reason I am adding the two equations. Okay, so 4x minus 5y is equal to minus 8, and 5x plus 5y is equal to 35. We'll add these two equations. Just write down adding 2 and 3. ठीक है? This will get cancelled. Plus 5y minus 5y. 4x plus 5x will give me 9x. 35 minus 8. So that will give 27. Okay. So x is equal to 27 upon 9. 9 3s are. So x is 3. We need to find the value of y. So substitute this in 1, 2 or 3. I'll substitute it in 1. 1 सबसे easy equation है. Okay. So try to substitute it in the easiest equation. So substituting x equal to 3 in equation 1. So 3 plus y is equal to 7. So y is equal to 7 minus 3. That is 4. Okay, so x is 3, y is 4. Therefore you need to write down numerator, write the entire word. Numerator is equal to 3, denominator is equal to 4. तो fraction क्या हो जाएगा? Fraction is equal to x upon y, that is 3 upon 4. Okay. So don't forget to write down the value of the fraction, okay, because they have asked find the fraction. So don't just stop by finding the values of x and y, you have to find the value of fraction as well. Let's read the next question, question number 10. If the numerator of a fraction is multiplied by 2 and its denominator is increased by 1, it becomes 1. However, if the numerator is increased by 4 and denominator is multiplied by 2, the fraction becomes half. Find the fraction. Again we have a fraction and we know that a fraction is numerator upon denominator. ठीक है? Do we know the numerator and denominator? No, we don't know the values. So let the numerator be x and the denominator be y. So the fraction will be x upon y. Okay. Now we are given two conditions to form two linear equations. So let's see the two conditions. If the numerator of a fraction is multiplied by 2 and its denominator is increased by 1, it becomes 1. Over here we are considering a fraction only. Yahi fraction, but we are bringing changes in the fraction. Okay. If the numerator of the fraction is multiplied by 2, numerator is x and you are multiplying by 2, so 2 into x gives 2x, and its denominator is increased by 1. Denominator क्या है? y है. You are increasing by 1, that is you are adding 1, so y plus 1. Then the fraction becomes 1. It means इसका value is equal to 1. ठीक है? So I'll repeat. If the numerator of a fraction is multiplied by 2, so it will become 2x, it was x, it became 2x, and its denominator is increased by 1. Increased by 1 means you are adding 1. ठीक है? So y था, y plus 1 हो गया, then the fraction becomes 1. Okay, so it will be equal to 1. We just need to solve this, we will get a proper linear equation. So 2x is equal to 1 into y plus 1, that is 2x is equal to y plus 1. We'll keep x and y wala variables in LHS and the number in RHS. Okay, so 2x minus y is equal to 1. This gave us one equation. We need one more equation. So let's check the other condition. However, if the numerator is increased by 4 and denominator is multiplied by 2, the fraction becomes half. again we are considering a fraction but we are modifying the original fraction. So if the numerator is increased by 4, original fraction consider karo, numerator is increased by 4, that is you are adding 4, okay, and the denominator is multiplied by 2, denominator is y, so you are multiplying by 2y, the fraction becomes half, okay. So now we'll solve this, cross multiply karo, ठीक है, 2 into x plus 4 is equal to 2y into 1, 2y into 1 is 2y, ठीक है. So 2x plus 4 is equal to 2y. Shifting this over here, sorry, 8 हो जाएगा, 2 into 4 gives 8, okay. Shifting y over here and number over here, because x and y will keep in left LHS and the number in RHS. So 2x minus 2y is equal to minus 8. The signs will change, okay. Now this is the other equation. Over here, if you notice, both the equations over here if you notice x का coefficient already same है, okay. You have 2x, you have 2x, signs are same because this is plus 2x, this is plus 2x, so signs are same, so in same signs you subtract the two equations, okay. So you can subtract these two equations. Another way that I will not tell you to solve by that way, that is इसको reduce कर दो, ठीक है, इसको reduce कर सकते हैं हम लोग. This is divisible by 2, this is divisible by 2, this is divisible by 2. So divide by 2 करेंगे पूरा entire equation को, so this will become x minus y equal to minus 4. You can consider this and this also, okay. इसको reduce करके इसको equation 2 कर दो instead of this and you can solve these two because यहाँ पे y का coefficient is same, it becomes 1 1 and signs are same again, signs are again same, minus minus है, so you have to subtract the two equations whenever the signs are same, okay. So ये reduce करेंगे, एक step बढ़ जाएगा, instead of that don't use this method, stop over here only, solve these two equations, okay. We have small numbers only, big numbers नहीं है, so it will become easy to solve. So subtract these two equations, subtract 1 from 2 or 2 from 1, alright. So let us now write down proper statements and solve. So we have taken numerator as x and denominator as y. So the fraction will be x upon y. You have to write down the statements over here, okay. Now there are two conditions given. According to first condition we are getting this, on solving this we will get a linear equation. On solving the second condition we will get another linear equation, okay. Now normally we make the coefficients of any one variable same, या तो x का coefficient same करो या फिर y का coefficient same करो. Over here if you notice already the coefficient of x is same, okay. So y consider y, ठीक है, x का ही coefficient already same है, so you can just subtract the two equations because the signs of the coefficient are same over here. Here also it is plus 2, here also it is plus 2, so whenever the signs are same you subtract the two equations, okay. Now I could reduce this, okay, I can reduce this, divide the entire equation by 2, then the coefficient of y would be equal, ठीक है, but that will increase one step, so why increase the steps, instead यही solve करते हैं, okay. So subtract 1 from 2 or 2 from 1, I'll be subtracting 1 from 2, so I'm subtracting this, ठीक है, तो signs of this equation will change. So subtracting 1 from 2. Since we are subtracting from 2, पहले 2 लिखेंगे, okay. So 2 we'll write first and 1 we'll write afterwards, the one that we are subtracting. Now the signs are going to change since you are subtracting the equation. So plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus and plus becomes minus. These are the new signs, okay. Now 2x minus 2x cancel हो जाएगा, minus 2y plus y, okay, minus 2 plus 1 will give me minus 1, that is minus y or minus 1y, ठीक है. -8 -1, so this will give me -9. Okay, -8 -1, so y is equal to 9. All right, now we need to find the value of x, so substituting the value of y in either 1 or 2. I'll substitute it in 1. So substituting y equal to 9 in 1, so 2x minus 9 is equal to 1, so 2x is equal to 1 plus 9, so 2x is equal to 10, so x is equal to 10 upon 2, that is x is equal to 5. We found the values of numerator and denominator. Numerator is x, that is 5, and denominator is y, that is 9. So I can say the fraction is x upon y, that is it is 5 upon 9. Alright, so don't stop over here, you have to find the value of fraction also. So box these, write down numerator is equal to 5, denominator is equal to 9, and then write down at the end fraction is equal to x upon y, which is equal to 5 upon 9. Coming to next question, question number 11. A fraction becomes half if 5 is subtracted from its numerator and 3 is subtracted from its denominator. If the denominator of this fraction is 5 more than its numerator, find the fraction. Again we have a fraction, so let's say the fraction is some numerator upon some denominator, where the numerator is x and denominator is y, तो fraction हो जाएगा x upon y. ठीक है? Now we need to find the values of x and y. For that we need two linear equations which we will solve. Okay? So first condition of fraction becomes half if 5 is subtracted from its numerator and 3 is subtracted from its denominator. So there is a fraction. Okay? यही फ्रैक्शन में हम लोग मॉडिफिकेशंस लेंगे. सो इफ 5 is subtracted from the numerator, so numerator is x, we are subtracting 5 from it. Okay, and 3 is subtracted from the denominator, denominator is y and we are subtracting 3, then the fraction becomes half, that is it is equal to half. Okay, let's solve this and get one proper linear equation. So cross multiplying 2 into x minus 5 is equal to 1 into y minus 3. So that will give 2x minus 10 is equal to y minus 3. Variables LHS में, numbers RHS में. Okay. So 2x as it is, y will shift over here. 10 को यहाँ पे शिफ्ट करेंगे तो प्लस 10 हो जाएगा and 3 as it is minus 3. Okay, so 2x minus y is equal to 7. This is first equation. We need one more equation. So the other condition, if the denominator of this fraction is 5 more than its numerator, denominator is y, so the denominator is 5 more than its numerator. न्यूमरेटर से 5 मोर है, सो डिनोमिनेटर इज इक्वल टू 5 मोर देन इट्स न्यूमरेटर. ओके, 5 मोर बोला है तो प्लस 5 हो जाएगा, नॉट इनटू 5 बट प्लस 5. ओके, सो वेन एवर दे से मोर इट मीन्स यू विल एड. ओके, एंड 5 लेस बोला होता तो माइनस 5. सो डिनोमिनेटर is means is equal to 5 more, that is plus 5 than its numerator. So plus 5 हम लोग कहाँ पे लगाएंगे, जहाँ पे numerator होगा. Okay, so x plus 5 is equal to y. Now x and y will be in LHS and number in the RHS. So shifting this over here, minus x plus y is equal to 5. Okay, so we got another equation. We just have to solve these two. You don't need to even make the coefficient same. y का यहाँ पे कोएफिशिएंट 1 है, यहाँ पे भी 1 है, एंड द साइंस आर ऑपोजिट, plus y minus y. So you just need to add the two equations and you will get the value of x. Once you get the value of x, substitute it in either of the two equations and you will get the value of y. Okay, so let us now write down the statements in proper manner and then solve. So we have assumed the numerator to be x and denominator to be y. So you have to write down the statement. Therefore the fraction will be x upon y. Now the first condition states that if we subtract 5 from the numerator and 3 from the denominator, then the fraction becomes half. ठीक है, fraction का value half हो जाएगा. So this fraction will be equal to half. You will solve this and you will get one linear equation. We need one more linear equation. For that we are given that the denominator is 5 more than its numerator. ठीक है, so 5 more means plus 5 हो जाएगा. ठीक है, so denominator that is y is equal to x plus 5. Okay, so shifting x over here, we'll keep the terms in LHS, that is the variables in the LHS and number in the RHS. Now if you check, y का coefficient is same and the signs are opposite. Okay, so whenever the signs are opposite, you add the two equations. So let us add 1 and 2 and solve further. Okay, so adding 1 and 2, 2x minus y is equal to 7 and minus x plus y is equal to 5. We'll add this. So minus y plus y cancel हो जाएगा. 2x minus x, that gives x, and 7 plus 5 gives 12. So x का value क्या मिला? 12 मिला. Okay, we will substitute this in either 1 or 2 and find the value of y. So I'll substitute this in 2 only. 2 seems easier equation, so you can substitute in 1 also, and now we'll find the value of y. So substituting x equal to 12 in 2, so we have minus x plus y is equal to 5, that is minus 12 plus y is equal to 5. Shifting 12 over here, that is minus 12 over here, it will become plus 12. So y is equal to 17. So x is 12, y is 17. So fraction क्या हो जाएगा? Fraction will be equal to x upon y, that is equal to 12 upon 17. To cross check if your answer is correct or not, substitute the values over here in the equations given to you. Okay, if it satisfies both the equations, it means your answer is correct. Okay, so you can just cross check by substituting that in both the conditions. So don't forget to write down the final answer. Don't just stop at the values of x and y. You have to find the value of the fraction. Okay, so just write down before this, numerator is equal to 12, denominator is equal to 17, therefore fraction is equal to 12 upon 17.